Hey everyone, I wanted to show you the Go-Go Mango Scent-Spirations collection. It's 4 bars and it comes in this little red mesh bag. So with the Scent-Spirations, Scentsy takes one scent and then they kind of build off of that one. So the fragrance for this Scent-Spiration is Go-Go Mango, so this is the original bar. And this one is a fruity fragrance. It's juicy mango and melon garnished with hibiscus and sweet banana flower. I really like that one. The next one is Mango Margarita. This is a citrus fragrance family. It's a burst of tropical fruits blended with juicy mango and a dash of sparkling citrus. The next one is Mango Shortcake. This would be in your bakery fragrance family. It's warm baked cupcake topped with whipped vanilla and juicy mango. So those of you that like those bakery fragrances, oh yeah, it smells like cake. It smells really good. And then the last one is Mango Wildflower. This one is a grove of wild hibiscus and tropical freesia sweetened with juicy mango. I love my floral fragrance families. Oh yeah. This is my favorite, but I love floral fragrances. So the bundle is $20. So you get 4 bars for $20. So it's $5 each. Or you can add them to any other Scentsy bar bundle. So the regular bundles are 3 for $17 or 6 for $30. Individually, they're $6 each. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.